Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi. Today we are learning how to make doodle art. For that we require a sheet, some markers and some sketch pens. So we will create some doodle art. Today what we will write is stay home. Okay, we all know the COVID times are going on. So we will write down stay home. So we have to do a double writing. Now to do a double writing, what we will do is we will write the alphabet. Like I am writing stay. So I will write down S. I hope you all know how to do that. Then we will write down T. A. And the next alphabet which we will write is Y. So it's in double writing. We have written stay. Next is what we will write is we will write home. H. O. M. Now there is no hard and fast rule. I have not made any lines. Okay. So when we are doing these doodle art, we don't have to really worry about the alphabet length, the alphabet size. So it can be any ways. Okay. So we have written stay home. Now to make this a doodle, what we will do is we will just add a few more things. So whatever we used to do when we are at home, so we will add that. We do a little bit of painting. So I'll add a brush. Painting brush with some color on it. We can add anything of our choice. We'll add some plates, all the meals at home, so we'll add some plates. Okay, then I will add some books. To make a book, what we'll do is we'll make a shape like this, and so I am making a book. Here I'll make some plants. People, they grow a lot of plants. You enjoy your plants. So a lot of things which everybody used to do or you used to do. So we will be adding those things. So I'm adding this planter here, right? And I will add some fruits. These days we enjoy apples. You can make any fruit of your choice or anything which you want you can add. Now doodle art is all about scribbling, right, and creating things. Now a lot of students, they play a lot of video games and all those things. So we will make a remote. You can make a TV remote as well. You can do that. So I'm just making this remote just for fun. Okay. So they have some dots, some points here, some wires, cup of tea, one of my favorites. So we will make some cup of tea, some sizzling hot tea inside the plate. Okay, right? Now a lot of work, people have to do it themselves. So I'm making this. I'm making a scissor. You can make any number of things, whatever you feel like. You want to enjoy pizzas, you can enjoy pizzas. You can create burgers, anything. So when we are home, what all things we use, what all things we do, we will be adding it. A lot of music people hear, so I'm adding a guitar over here. And see, you don't have to worry about the drawing a lot. So this is doodle art, so we don't have to have a very perfect drawing. It's just that in an outline we should get to know what you have drawn basically. So this is all it's all about. I'll make one more paint brush, maybe a flat one. So I'll just make one more brush here, some flowers. some random music notes, I can do that. Some just like that things. Anything of your choice we can do. Some ice creams, some food items which you love. So staying home, all these things make you stay at home, right? So we can just make these things which all you enjoy. So I'm making some hearts, a lot of things, nothing will go out, so I'm making this iron, a press. So just like that, you can make any kitchen tool, a utensil, anything of your choice you can do. So what I have done is I have created a few things, and this is a doodle what we have created. Okay, now what we will do is we will use these sketch pens to color them. So our drawing is complete. You can add a few more things which you like, right? So let's color it. So we have colored it beautifully, and I hope you all enjoyed making it. I'll show you one more doodle art where we are talking about enjoy art. You can just check this, and you can create anything. You can create stay safe, anything. You can just make it. Hope you all enjoyed making this. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy, stay home, and stay safe.